guys, I'm going to make blackberry jam because today we picked blackberry and made a blackberry cobbler, and this is the leftover. This is leftover blackberries, fresh blackberries. This is 2 cups, so I'm going to bring it to a boil. 2 cups with 2 cups granulated sugar. It's the measurement of this is 1:1. Okay, and then bring it to a boil, and then I'll mash it a little bit. Okay. This is on medium high. Hi guys, I'm back. This is already boiling, so I have to mash it with my potato masher. Okay, you will cook this until it gets thicker. I don't use pectin because the fruits has already pectin on it with the sugar, so that should be okay. I made the raspberry jam before and it was fine. See, now it's boiling. Now, when it's boiling like this, after you mash it, I'm going to... Oh, there's some more. Okay, I have to lower it to medium because this has to simmer. Okay, then I'm going to add the lemon. This is half lemon. Okay. That's like 1 tablespoon. Or maybe it is 1 tablespoon, but I did half lemon. That's all. I squeeze the half. Okay, this one, it has to be lowered a little bit because it's... Okay, I'll come back when it's really thickened. Okay? Hi guys, I'm back. Now my jelly is simmered and it's really thickened now. So this one is coming from the freezer. I freeze it a little bit so it's cold. This is how you check when your jam is ready. Drop a little on the cold plate, and then you push it, and if it will not, if there is a line from your finger and it doesn't go together, that's ready. So this one, there's a line when I push it and it doesn't go together, so this is ready. I tried it. Now, tastes good. Now I'm going to sift it because my husband is not allowed to have some seeds. Sorry. I was just looking at this, so I'm sorry guys. I just get so excited with what I did. Okay. I have to sift it. And then I have a new mason jar, so I did boil it, wash it with soap and water, and then boil it. Pour boiling water and then boil it because I want it to be sterilized, my mason jar. Okay, now I also did this to my raspberry, okay? I have to remove the seeds. Okay. Hi guys, we're back. I labeled this when today, because this is the day that we made this. It's August 9, 2020, because this will only last like 6 months, 5 to 6 months in the refrigerator. Oh, if you put it outside the refrigerator, then when you open it, you have to put it in the refrigerator. It's like the regular jams. Okay? Okay, thank you. I hope you'll enjoy watching how I made my jam. I always made any jam as long as I have any extra like raspberry, this one, blackberry, and it's good for you. Next time I'm going to make a strawberry jam. Okay, thank you so much. Please try this recipe. Bye!